How's it going, everyone? My name is Nick Pasquale. I'm the Director of Tech here at Keller Williams San Diego Metro. And today I'm going to walk you through the process of the Referrals tab and what this Referrals tab consists of. So what the Referral tab is this is the area that you could come to send out referrals to other states, other countries, or vice versa. They could actually send you referrals back at you. The really cool part about this is if you come over here to referrals and come over here to map, press allow for your location, you're actually able to zoom in anywhere you want. So for example, I'll zoom over here to Dallas, Texas. You're gonna wait for it to load. Oh, now I need to zoom in a little bit more. And bam, you're actually able to see a lot of the agent or all agents in Keller Williams located in Dallas, Texas. And from here, you can just press a little drop down arrow and you can see all their statistics about them on every single person. So obviously, if you like the said person and want to send them a referral, you can press this little plus right here and you can send them a little personalized message and add them to your referral network. So just so you know, sending them an invitation doesn't actually add them to your referral network. It sends them almost like a Facebook friend request. And when you get a request, it looks something like this. At the top left, that person is going to receive a message or a notification saying pending invites. And they're going to have to click on this and they're going to see a little message that looks like this, and they can either accept or ignore. But once someone is added to your referral network, and you want to go ahead and send someone out a referral to another state. So what we're going to do is we're going to head up here to new referral. And this is where we're going to go ahead and act like we're sending a referral to someone in a different state. So the first thing we're going to do is you're going to go ahead and select the agent you want to send the referral to. Or if you don't have an agent there, you press find agent and it'll actually pull up the map and you're able to find an agent from there. But for example, we're not going to select any agent. The next thing you're going to do is select what type of client you're sending them, whether it's a buyer, seller, tenant, or a landlord. So with this one, we're going to send a buyer. The referral fee, this is how you could demand what your referral fee is. So for this example, we're going to leave it at 25%. And the acceptance deadline is this is how long the person has to accept the referral. If no one accepts it, that means you could go ahead and try sending it to someone else. So underneath acceptance deadline, we're gonna have price minimum and price maximum. If you want to, you could set like a minimum price on you want them to buy or a maximum price on you what you want them to buy. You get a little custom notes so the agent gets them about your client. And then from here, your next tab is the client tab. So you can either select from database. So if it's someone located in your contacts, you're able just to search up their name and select them and it'll fill out all their information. If not, you could just create a new contact from here and go ahead and type in everything. It's the normal classic information, client's first name, client's last name, they're pre-approved or pre-qualified, their current home address, the client's desired location. So if they're looking for a place somewhere in Dallas, Texas, you go and type in Dallas, Texas, their phone number, email, and the transaction timeline. And then after that, you're gonna add contact and send, and that referral is off. And if the transaction gets completed, you'll obviously get a commission check and you're all good to go. So other than that, if you have any thoughts, questions, or concerns, feel free to comment down below or reach out to me personally, and have a great rest of your day.